winter storm watch for the following in Montana, Bitterroot and Sapphire Mountains. Winter storm watch in effect from Saturday evening through Monday morning above 6,500 feet. What? Heavy wet snow possible above 6,500 feet. Total snow accumulations up to 8 inches possible. Where? Backcountry and higher elevation areas. When? From Saturday evening through Monday morning. Impacts. Plan for winter-like conditions in the backcountry and higher elevations. Cold temperatures and wet snow will elevate the risk of hypothermia. Heavy wet snow may down trees, blocking access to backcountry roadways. Monitor the latest forecast for updates on this situation. Persons should consider delaying travel across high-elevation backcountry roadways. Consider taking a winter storm kit along with you, including such items as tire chains, twister cables, flashlight, shovel, blankets, and extra clothing. Also take water, a first aid kit, and anything else that would help you survive in case you become stranded. Do not touch downed lines and report any power outages to your electric company. Travel is highly discouraged across backcountry roadways given the risk for downed trees to block roadways. 10 a.m.